Hey, it's Mr. Hayashi with 1.5 angles. I'm trying something new, just writing it on the board. For me, at least, it'll be easier. So you'll need to let me know if it's not working out, as well as just doing something on the screen. 1.5 is angles. So I think everybody knows what an angle is. Maybe you're not able to define it. An angle is just two rays that share a common endpoint. So let's just say I have ray BA and ray BC. The common endpoint here is B. So that is what makes up the angle. Two rays that share a common endpoint. That common endpoint that they share is what's called the vertex of the angle. The vertex is just a point, and then the rays are the sides of the angle. So ray BC is a side, and then ray AB, sorry, I said ray AB, that's actually incorrect. Ray BA is also a side. And then kind of like everything else that we've gone over, there's a certain way to name the angle. When you name an angle, one way to think about it is you have to trace out the angle. What should always happen is when you name an angle by three letters or 3 points on the ray, you're basically tracing out that ray, which means the middle point or the middle letter has to be the vertex. So this angle ABC, I could use a little symbol instead of writing out the word angle. It looks like an inequality, but it's a little bit different because this bottom part is basically on your writing line, or it's parallel to the writing line. But one way that I can name this angle is angle ABC. I started at point A, went to point B, which is the vertex, and then to point C. That would trace out the angle. So that's not the only way that you can name the angle. The other way that you can name the angle is angle CBA. You can't name the angle something like angle ACB because that does not trace out the angle. So that's just the basics of angles.